Here is the aviation head to take over. The red is the power supply and the black is GND. Then these two are 485 lines, the white one is 485 positive, the yellow one is 485 negative, then the positive is connected to the positive, and the negative is connected to the negative, respectively connected to the positive and negative of the 485 on the IPC. After connecting the wires, turn on the power directly. When the power is turned on, the baud rate and address will be displayed on the screen, and then turn on the machine. Here you will see the version number. This is the baud rate D9600. This is the ID number 001. If it is not right, you need to set it. First set the baud rate. Press and hold the preset and 1 keys for 10 seconds. Do not let go of preset. Then press the 1 key repeatedly to adjust the setting to Pelco_D 9600 BPS. Then for this ID number, press and hold preset, hold the 6 key for 10 seconds. Do not let go of preset. And then press the 6 key repeatedly to adjust the setting to current cam ID 001. Then let go, and you can use it normally.